So the Mustang GT accelerates very quickly. As you already know, this model has the 6-speed manual transmission, so it is very responsive. In first, second and third gear, it just accelerates really quick, and you can really feel the 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque pushing your body back to the seat as you accelerate away. Very fast. So as you can see, it is really wet out here today, and I don't want to drive it really fast. Even though the roads are wet, the Mustang handles it really well. There is very minimum wheel slip, and I actually like the way the Mustang drive and handle better than the new Dodge Challenger, and that's just my opinion. Overall, I really like the way the Mustang GT drive and handle the road. Very aggressive ride.